me to quickly recognize this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is announcing the arrival of Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, of Women's Society, also the entourage. Pressmen, please take it easy. The pressmen, please. Pressmen, please. The First Lady is going now saying hello to our elders. First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, New Hope Initiative, RHIESS.
It is with great pleasure, happiness, and appreciation I welcome Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Ahmed Tinubu, CON, to this special occasion, thus the Renewed Hope Initiative Elderly Support Scheme, which is one of its kind, the maiden, the first one in the history of Nigeria, where she's going to give a distribution of cash and other items to our beloved senior citizens of the nation. Today, as we gather on behalf of the Federal Capital Territory Administration and all people of FCT, I sincerely congratulate Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, for this great initiation. Today we gather not just to distribute items, but to express our deep gratitude and respect for the wealth of wisdom and experience that our elders bring to our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, a simple gift can bring a smile, warmth, and a sense of belonging to those who may feel overlooked or lonely, especially during this time of the year. The mission of the Renewed Hope, and we all know the Renewed Hope Initiative, is not just about distributing materials or items. As we are aware, the Renewed Hope Initiative has so many factors on the agenda. They take care of the issue of education nationwide. They look at the health of everyone, and that's why today we're giving a complete package to the senior citizen of FCTA, where after we finish the program, we have a clinic that all of them will go to test their sugar level, to know the status of their blood pressure, to know their vision, because even their eyes will be tested, and so many other components of health. These are all part of the Renewed Hope Initiative. Agriculture is also part of it, among other things. And also, it is about fostering a sense of community, compassion, and respect for our elders, youth, girls, and widows. Therefore, today's distribution is a small token of the First Lady's appreciation, a gesture that reflects her commitment to ensuring the comfort and well-being of those who have paved the way for us. As we hand out these items, let us also take a moment to engage with our elders, to listen to their stories, and to learn from their rich tapestry of life experiences. To our dear elders, your presence enriches our life, and today is a testament to our collective dedication to ensuring your happiness and comfort. It is therefore my honest prayer that may these items serve as a tangible expression of our gratitude, and may the bond forged here today continue to strengthen our community. I call on the critical stakeholders to carry the spirit of our First Lady beyond today by ensuring that the love we share with the elderly and the less privileged will continue to resonate throughout the year. Together, we can make a difference. we can make a difference. And we share with the elderly and the less privileged, difference in the life of our seniors, reminding them that they are precious to us, cherished and valued members of our community. And finally, I would like to use this opportunity to wish our Christian brethren a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Once again, I congratulate Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Capital Territory, for this kind gesture, and thank you all for your valued attention. Thank you, and you are all welcome.
Thank you so very much. Mungode, our mighty women, thank you so very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, our mighty women. Thank you. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear sister, the Honorable Minister of State FCT, Dr. Maria Mahmoud, the representative of the Honorable Minister here present, the wife of the Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Hadia Biki Abukari, Mama Felicia, thank you so much for your presence here. The president, she is the president of the Market Women Association. Mama, thank you so very much for showing up today. Thank you. Our own president, the president of the National Council of Women Society, Ma, thank you so much, and you're welcome. Members of my entourage, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press, thank you all for the support. I'm standing in for the initiator of Renewed Hope Initiative. I am delighted to join you today at the maiden edition of the Renewed Hope Initiative Elderly Support Scheme with the theme, Better Days Ahead. This economic empowerment program is born out of the steadfast commitment to the well-being of our elderly citizens, and it marks significant strides in our collective pursuit of a more inclusive and compassionate society. This scheme is to support 250 vulnerable elderly citizens aged 65 and above in all the 36 states of the Federation, the Federal Capital Territory, and veterans from the Defense and Police Officers' Wives Association, DPOA. These selected beneficiaries will receive a sum of 100,000 naira each. This is to cushion the effect of the economic situation and to alleviate the burdens of our esteemed elders during this festive period. The total sum to be disbursed is 950 million naira, as approved by the Governing Board of the Renewed Hope Initiative. Each state of the Federation will receive the sum of 25 million naira. We are committed to ensuring that each state receives this gesture without discrimination. As we approach the festive season, it becomes very important to emphasize the significance of prioritizing our elderly citizens in our initiatives. By reaching out to the elderly this festive period, we not only honor their contributions, but also acknowledge the unique encounters they faced. To our senior citizens, I urge you to embrace life to the fullest. prioritize your health, nurture your minds, and strengthen your bonds with loved ones and with God. These are the keys to a rich and fulfilling life in your golden years. I equally extend my heartfelt appreciation to all your excellencies, the state coordinators of Renewed Hope Initiative, and partners who have supported with pre-medical screening and distribution of other sundry items to the beneficiaries, as the case may be, in ensuring the success of this program. This period should be a time of joy and comfort for all, even as we hope for a greater Nigeria in security, education, health, employment, and business opportunity for all. We seek your continued support and prayers for the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, as we look forward to better days ahead. Thank you, and may this program serve as a beacon of renewed hope, dignity, prosperity for our revived elders of the nation. I seize this opportunity to wish you happy holidays ahead, and I pray that 2024 will be a fruitful and fulfilling year for all of us. God bless you all. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Signed, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you for your kind attention.
May we all live longer and longer like her. Say amen. If you want to live longer like Yaya Baba Yamao, say amen. She's 103 years old. I don't know how old you are now. Just add plus the number of years that you want to live. Congratulations. That is the symbolic presentation of the gift from the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Chairman of Renewed Hope Initiative, the National Chairman. And today, she is ably represented by Her Excellency, the wife of the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Hajia Nana Shettima. Congratulations, Mama. This is from a kind heart. This is just a token of 100,000 naira cash. And this 100,000 naira is going to each and every one of them. Each and every one of them, the 250 elders selected from the 6th area council, and also people living with disability. Mama Yabao is 103 years old. You can see how strong.
Thank you, Mama. Please, may I have the NCWS assistants to please come and help me with the elderly? Thank you. Now, the tax. We have them, we are bringing them out with their names. Please, we are following everybody's name on the list. Will be attended to, please. Come on. Please, once again, it is not. You know what? Sorry. Please, where are the tax? Thank you. Just use that. Please. Okay, I think we've given out this. Okay. This is not so new. Hope for better days. And it's when you look at the captions around it, it just talks about the vision of Her Excellency. If you look around, you see trains, and it's like saying the Renewed Hope Initiative is a moving train going around. You know, like we have the six and all the 6 area, and then it also captures Renewed Hope Initiative. Thank you very much. So the metro train has come and technology has come, and we ask 9
Better days ahead. Turn to your neighbor, say better don't come.
Better don't come.
Say better don't come.
Better don't come.
Better don't land.
Better don't land.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for touching life. As is happening here, it's happening in Abia State. It's happening in Anambra State. It's happening in Adamawa State. It's happening in...
Inspection of the medical center and clinics that have been set up by the Health Management Secretariat. Please, Dr. Basha, where are you?
Are you from the media house? We are IT media.
Yes. So we have a mental health care. Where's her minister has been.
But